got tomatoes.
Okay. Here you go. All of the tomatoes, red tomatoes, please.
Okay. The red tomatoes are good.
Did you eat it?
I don't think I just ate it.
Come on, we need to hurry.
There's one inside there. Who's gonna get it?
There's more over there. I am in this side. You go get those.
I'm gonna get it in
It's
half.
right there, Alici. You don't get the one that is on the back of it. Girl, help me. What are you doing?
I'm picking the green ones too.
These are all almost yellow. These are almost yellow. Here's
Well, that is
some
small
cat. Look at that, how pretty they are. Here. That is enough. Here, hold. Take me a video. Don't put your fingers on it. Hold it tight over there on the bottom. Put your fingers on here on the bottom. No. You gotta hold it tight so it will not fall. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Don't move. Stay there. Let's go to the string beans. Come on. Try. Oh, before the string beans, we're gonna pick. Take me the video. Before the string beans, we're gonna pick the eggplants. Come on.
I cannot hold this pony. Okay.
No, you have to take me a video. Find them. There you go. Ow. Watch your fingers. It's gonna. What will you do? You have to cut it off. And small ones too.
Why do you plant that and this?
We're going to eat it. So we are done. There you go. So we are done here and we are going to the
Garden.
string beans. And look at all my
Stringy.
moringas. Oh, diba? And that is my lemongrass. Here we go. Here we come. String beans. Look at my string beans. I got so many string beans right now. Oh, see? There you go.
Those
Okay,
other
baby.
peas inside it. Inside those stuff. What are those?
String beans. Here, you.
Come on, and we have to take those too.
Yes, go start picking. Come on, start picking them. What are you looking at?
I'm looking at you. Oh, mine just like mommy.
Don't go crazy. Break it. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, you hold it.
I want to break mine. Ah, there's on it.
It's not gonna bite you. That's not the red ants.
But I hate the ants. Mom, there's something on your leg. try doing. Mommy.
You cut it up from here like that, okay?
Okay.
Cut it up. Oh, here, this one over here. You do the ball.
Mom, I got it out. It's just like snakes. Mom, there are big ones on top. They look like wiggle worms or snakes.
Listen, not that is small.
Which one I should pick?
The long ones, the bigger ones, like this.
Oh, I got one here. Mom, why am I getting ants on my body?
Because there's so many ants everywhere.
I don't like the ants. They always bite people.
Di siya ka mao, kung anak, di ka mao mo kuha o string beans ang kuha nitong mga babies.
What about this one down here? The ants are in love with this stuff. Mom, I got one out.
Khaleesi, why are you on there? Not like that small. These ones. The fatter ones and the bigger ones. Not the small ones. There, there's more over there. On the bottom. So the ground.
Mom, why is that enough? Why you just putting? Mom, this garden's getting new. It was. Mom, is this one is kind of big? This one?
No, those are smaller still. The bigger ones.
Ooh. Mom, why is butterfly is actually move is flying everywhere?
See, look, the flowers. Where's the flowers? Where the flower at? Where they go?
Mom, I keep getting ants on me.
Oh my gosh, let me see.
Mom, how am I gonna reach those big ones up there?
You can't, that's why you find the one that's on the bottom.
Mom, I love these butterflies on my table. Ooh. Is this one as big?
Yes.
Oh, we're gonna get it out. Ah. Mom, I got one out. We're taking every helping poo.
So here we got all this and tomatoes and the eggplant.
Eggplant is tasty.
Mm-hmm.
These are healthy poo.
What is it?
They're healthy.
Healthy food. Yeah.
So the other
So-
ones are babies.
There you go. Bye bye for now, guys. Thank you for watching. For the next time again. Bye.